In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions using filters in PayPal. If you need to quickly narrow down your transaction history and find a specific payment, refund, or transfer, PayPal's filtering tools can make that much easier. Instead of scrolling through a long list of activity, you can refine what you see by adjusting the date range and then applying the filter. To begin, make sure you are signed into your PayPal account and you're on the main account area. From there, click on Activity. This section is where PayPal shows your transaction history, including payments sent, payments received, and other account movements. It's the best place to start whenever you want to review past transactions. Once you're in the activity section, click on the filter drawer. This opens the filtering panel where you can control how your transaction and list is displayed. The filter drawer is useful because it helps you limit the results to a more specific time period, which is especially helpful if you're looking for something older or trying to reduce the number of visible transactions. Inside the filter options, click on Last 90 Days. This is the current date range setting shown in the filter area. Selecting it opens the available time range choices so you can change the period you want to search through. Next, click on This Year. By switching from the last 90 days to the full year, you expand your search results to include all transactions from the current year. This is a good option if the transaction you need doesn't appear in the default recent history view. Choosing a broader range can save time when you know the transaction happened months ago, but not the exact date. After selecting the new date range, click on Apply Filters. This tells PayPal to refresh the activity list using the settings you just chose. Once the page updates, you'll see transactions filtered according to the time frame you selected. That's all it takes to find transactions using filters in PayPal. If you still don't see the transaction you're looking for, double check that you selected the correct date range before trying again. Using the activity page together with the filter drawer is one of the easiest ways to make your PayPal history more manageable and easier to search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.